Hi guys! I am very busy. I love playing sports after doing my studies. It is raining these days, so there is no way to play cricket or ride bikes with friends like I usually do. Oh. So today I chose to finish work and play some computer games. But my friend cannot play games like this because he doesn't have equipment to play. Did you guys know that it was between 1950 and 1960 that computer games were first created? These games were played using the mainframe type computers that were available at that time. This technology gradually developed, and between 2000 and 2010, they started to develop mobile games. Now is your time. Let's make a computer game for my friend to play. Then not only my friend, but even you guys can finish your studies and play this game. So let's get started. First, click on the Start Project button. Next, click on the How It Works button. Now, if you are using a mobile phone, turn on rotation and place the phone horizontally. Now, click on the Remix button. No soon as Run is clicked, the green color plane should start moving to the east direction. The red plane, which is piled up by us, should go up and down as we press the arrow keys, and also 10 points should be given if it touches these coins. And if it touches the green color plane, we need to display play again. So create the program. Now you can watch the below videos if you need. Okay, then let's start. We will meet again through DP Coding School. Stay tuned with us. Don't forget to send in your designs to me through 076 812 5244 WhatsApp number.